afternoon, good afternoon. Oh, say, looking for a place to live. Well, look no further, friend. Look no further. Whoo, I got just a little place for you. Just for a little place for you and your woman. Oh, way up there, way up there. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. You made a good buy. Peachy buy. Whoo, you like it very much. Now, just a minute. Now, after all, we've been through this thing before. Shut up! Shut up! Now, listen. I'm not gonna but this way. Now, wait a minute. Wait a minute!
Say, fellas, the boss asked me to ask you if you'd mind being a little more quiet. He's trying to sleep.
Well, what did they say?
They said if you'd mind your business, they'd mind theirs.
Talking about all you ever do is squawk, squawk, squawk. Get up!
Good evening, Mr. and Mrs. America and all the ships at sea. Let's go to press. Flash. Do you have a magpie in your home? If you do, you are most fortunate. The magpie is the most charming bird in all the world. He is the best friend the farmer ever had. Treat him gently. Treat him kindly. And always remember, the magpie deserves your respect.
Hello, everybody.
Yes, sir, I have just the little article you need, guaranteed to cure all headaches. Now I'll tell you what I'm going to do.
I ain't got no headache.
Oh, yes, you have, brother.
Who knows what will happen next? The Shadow knows.
Huh?
Well, well, well. If it ain't the little flower. That was fun. Let's try it again. Maggie, my dear, would you mind asking those uncouth neighbors to be a little more quiet?